What makes PVC doors best for bathrooms? Dear friends, bathroom doors tend to often be an afterthought and overlooked. However, bathroom doors are an integral part of a home's interiors and should feel natural and seamlessly blend with the rest of your home. Moreover, they should be durable and moisture resistant. Most of the time people tend to only focus on the functionality of the doors, as bathrooms are often utilitarian spaces in your house. When you're looking for your next home improvement project, do give replacing your existing bathroom doors a serious thought. Bathroom doors tend to deteriorate over time due to moisture and humidity changes. Moreover, your existing door might look out of place and may not be aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Whether you're eyeing a renovation or picking a door for a new project, you need to consider function, overall look, and cost so that you can zero in on the door that best meets your needs. Because of space restrictions and exposure to constant moisture and humidity, it is imperative that you choose a bathroom door that is not only durable but also maintenance-free. Why is PVC the best material for bathrooms? The most popular material for bathroom doors these days, PVC doors are the material of choice for doors in your bathroom. They are not only far more durable and enduring than other door materials but are also more flexible in terms of design options. Despite the fact that wooden doors tend to look elegant, they are usually better saved for other parts of the home. Wood is a naturally absorbent material and has the capacity to soak up humidity and moisture, which may result in the warping of the doors over time. Steel doors, on the other hand, are extremely durable and rugged but not pleasing to the eye. While steel is also naturally resistant to water damage, steel tends to be a bit on the expensive side. Furthermore, another factor that should be considered is that prolonged exposure to humidity and moisture will eventually cause many to rust. Here are some of the many reasons why PVC doors make the cut. 1. Space always is at a premium in most houses. PVC doors tend to be ideal for smaller bathrooms, especially as they can be made to order in a sliding format as well. Additionally, if your bathroom doesn't have adequate ventilation, sliding PVC doors will maximize the door opening space by just sliding across the wall, thus solving the purpose of less space fully. 2. PVC doors are moisture resistant and do not warp or discolor over time either. Bathrooms are usually humid zones and hence fit perfectly, especially in a bathroom which is devoid of ventilation like an exhaust fan. PVC doors also tend not to rot due to the presence of moisture inside the bathroom. PVC doors may not be quite as durable as steel, but they are highly resistant to water damage. 3. PVC is the perfect contemporary bathroom door today, primarily as they are far more enduring as compared to other door materials. They are also easily customizable and can be painted in almost any texture or color to fit the decor of any room, thus enhancing the aesthetic value as well. PVC doors can also be painted in an array of colors, making them a brilliant alternative for homeowners looking for a versatile door. 4. PVC doors require less maintenance and don't stain or catch mold and grime easily, which ensures long activity and prolonged usage. They can be easily wiped down simply with a damp cloth and soapy water. Owing to their resilience, PVC doors also don't mandate a repainting job, often thus helping you avoid expensive repainting jobs. They are also a cost-effective alternative as compared to other options. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.